Well, all right now everybody, welcome back to the channel. Got another video for you today. It's a firewood video. Shock of all shocks. So trying to get out here and get some work done. We've had quite a bit of rain the past week or so, and then coming this week we got another 7 days of rain every day. So quite a bit of participation, so I'll have to work around that. Before I get into my splitting, I do want to mention that I had a little mishap with my hyper split log splitter while I was towing. Now, I tumped it over a little bit and I bent the axle on one of the wheels. The wheel hit something and bent the axle, so it was going down the road all funky, and had to do a little repairs. Got a little road rash on my log splitter there, but everything fixed right up just fine. We're going to do some more testing today. That's kind of what this video is. We're going to test her out, run it some more, and make sure everything's going good. I might need to shoot a little hydraulic oil in there, make sure the hydraulic oil is okay. But everything's pretty good. Just had a little bent axle, and the guys at Tool Tough Direct, they took care of me and mailed me a new axle out. I bought a new tire and a new axle. Cost me $100, so about a rick of wood. But anyways, we're going to get back into it here now. I got all kinds of wood behind me here. You can see maybe some of it, but I got some cherry, some hackberry, some maple, and some walnut to split. And then there's a bunch of box elder and mulberry and things laying around here. So there's other things to get into, but I'll actually walk you guys around and show you that next. So go ahead, like and subscribe, and I'll just show you what we got here working with, what we're going to be cutting down here in the next few weeks here. Cutting up, bucking up, burning up. Do you like to light it up or burn it down? Put it in the comments. Light it up or burn it down. So here we go. Let me show y'all what we got, and we'll do a little tour real quick here now. All right, so now these are all of my rounds here that I need to get split real quick today. And then panning over here, that's a lot of mulberry, and there's humongous cherry all laying back through there. That's a big maple log, maple. And then there's more of this cherry. There's two great big huge cherry logs laying in the weeds right there. That's all humongous cherry. And more cherry right there. A lot of good wood, and there's more cherry underneath there. There's cherry on the ground there, sticking up next to that big maple stump. Now, I'm sure there's probably ants in that piece of wood, and they probably have quite a house in there. Look at that thing. It's like a canoe in there. You could bring that home and put it in your front yard and plant flowers in it or something there if you were feeling creative a little bit, right? So that is pretty much junk. That looks like, that might have been a big box elder tree is what that might look like to me. Big old rotten box elder full of ants. Look at that thing. So won't be messing with that, but kind of interesting anyways. And now, a nice little piece of cherry on the ground here. We'll get that going over here. Put that in my stack over here. So anyways, I'm gonna get splitting some wood. Here we go now. I got my splitting done here, and I got a nice load of some Capsucula in here. Some really nice splits here for a good customer of mine. So that's all ready to go. All kinds of wood, lots of cherry and maple and ash and hackberry. Nice load of wood in there. And that's the rest of the wood I got. Almost another rick of wood, maybe almost 2 ricks of wood. So I got to start working on all this other stuff next. All kinds of junk here that is good firewood. Burnable wood. It all will burn. Mulberry, magnolia right there. Hackberry, cherry. There's cherry everywhere. Some really nice cherry wood in here. So just going to start bucking this crap up. Now, I did want to show you guys. I also noticed on my log splitter that that happened. So that kind of broke out and tore away. I'll just have to pull this bolt out and hammer that flat and maybe put a washer on it. And I might go ahead and weld it. I might just go ahead and grind that paint off of there and put a little spot weld on it, because my table is kind of slanted a little bit down. It's still working, but that may have happened. It's got a little twist in it too. So that may have happened the same time I hurt my little wheel there, but not really a big deal. It is a log splitter. It's a rugged piece of equipment. It's getting the job done, as you can see. So something else to mess with, little problem there. Not a big deal. I'm gonna get out of here. I got ants in my pants. So I'll see you guys later. They're biting me.